What's going on, guys? This is a Monday morning and it's approximately about 7:55. Between all three technicians, we got about 15 to do today. Myself, I have 5. And so let's go, man. We're just bringing you on this day with us today. We're going to be doing a series of just what it's like on the road. So let's go. We just pulled up to the parts house and we had to pick up a dishwasher arm and the dishwasher seal. I already had the flaps for it, but we got a GE dishwasher that's leaking, so we're about to go fix that real fast. The Samsung refrigerator that we was just on, it was very simple. She said the temperature was just off a little bit, and we put our phone in the freezer, hit the record button. This is a way that we check, see if the fan's blowing or not. It wasn't blowing. We did it several times just to make sure. So we're gonna order her evaporator fan motor. This evaporator fan motor was like 68 bucks, and plugged it in on Amazon, was able to find it for 30. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, man. Like, you can find a lot of good parts online for a fairly cheaper price. Some of them may be knockoff, yeah, but hey, they still work. They still do the same thing. They may just have a different name on them. See if this magnetron is gonna heat up. No, that's she's heating. So the guy on the microwave checked the voltage coming out of his receptacle there, and he was only getting maybe 117, 118 volts. And he said the microwave was short out every now and then. When I got there, it was working fine, but I told him for, you know, that voltage not being right, and then when it microwave powers on, it probably pulls down on it even more. So told the guy he needs to get a receptacle, and so he can get that taken care of. That's that one. Alright, so the last 2 calls were, one was a refrigerator, the condenser fan motor stopped working. The complaint was the fridge quit cooling. And what happens is, fridge runs long enough, that compressor will get hot, and it causes the ambient temperature to change, and it won't cool properly because that air is not moving, that fan's not moving the air off of that condenser. So we're going to get a condenser fan motor put in there. We didn't have that particular one. It's a little older school one. And then the last call was, the water filter was leaking around it. And that's that, man. We done for today. We had, all of us together, we had about 15. But I just had 5 on my particular schedule today, which ain't a bad Monday at all. Not bad for all of us, really. Everybody had a smooth day today. We got about 15 more calls that come in through First America, so we got to get those booked. Had a couple residential calls to come in today, so, and we're already booked up for the next like 2 days right now. So today was a good day for Monday. I appreciate y'all riding along, and we're finna get this video and put it together. I gotta get it home and edit it. All right, y'all have a good one.